imagine they will play the game. Victims of a modern world, circumstances brought us here. Armageddon's come too near, too near now. Foresight is the only key to save our champion's destiny. The consequences are so grave, so grave now. The hypocrites, we are their slaves. So my friends, to stop the end, on each other we depend. Oh, we depend. Man, and how you live a deep. Stop it going on. We gotta wake this while they're proud and sleep. Oh, people. Stop it going on. Yeah, yeah. Have you heard the news today? Money's on the menu in my favorite restaurant. Well, don't talk about quantity, 'cause there's no fish left in the sea. Greedy men been killing off the laughter of the was. And you better play your nature's way, or she won't take care